We start to see falling out issues. Assemble, try.
This is for the Nutric and this is for our for the Amphenol, but this is the revised, updated is the connector.
Okay. Snap it. Then easy fall out. You see. Try again. Okay. And we have another issue for color cap. See. You see, we see very easy to fit. Then it's come out. The second one, it cannot fit. Try another one. Try another one. Cannot fit it. We see some. You see the parting line. Then see many flashes and bursts out, and we see a step. That's caused not assemble the cap in the connectors.